Hello friend, how to edit your profile in WordPress? See this, first go to your edit profile. See your profile is open. First admin color, select your admin color like black. See this, change the color, light, blue, coffee. 8 color are available here. See this, keyboard shortcut, enable, toolbar, show toolbar. Username, you cannot change the username. First name, enter your first name, Parth, last name, Patel, nickname, enter your nickname, display name, public as, select your public as display name, enter your email address here, change your email address, otherwise all email address is okay. Website name, Parth Patel.com. About yourself, biographical info, enter your biographical info, new password, Parth. Wow. Update profile. Your profile is updated, friend. See your profile. Hello friend, if you like this video, subscribe my channel and comment and share this video.